Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings guys, so this is last report in 2018 on the gold market. We will turn back to analysis updates on the 3rd of January, so we take the pause on the New Year's Day holidays. So we would like to wish you the prosperous and happy new year, to make the new achievement on the markets and your personal life in the coming year. So on the gold market, guys, this technical picture hasn't changed significantly. Mostly all subjects we have discussed on the Friday. What is really important right now is the fundamental news that we have and that we put today on the weekly report. From the technical point of view, I would repeat just the same things that we already talked about. First of all, 1286 is a vital level currently for the gold market because it splits the space of the gold market into two stages. Either this is the new bull trend on the market, or this is just a retracement up and market will turn down to the 1113 target, which is very difficult to believe right now. So we see clear bullish signs here on the daily chart that indeed you can see this fast acceleration with the CD lag right to the OP target. So we have the acceleration that indicates that gold market has potential to proceed higher to the XOP target, which is the 1330. Second moment, market has broken through the upper border of the channel. So this is also bullish sign. And take a look at creeps with the overbought. Currently market is approaching to 1286 area. So the major object that we will observe after the holidays is the response to the 1286 area. So as we suggest, that probably should become a kind of the pullback, some retracement, if nothing crucial will happen within these few sessions, within a few days. It's normal technical behavior. This market shows response to the strong resistance, especially it's accompanied with the overbought, and it's actually agreement resistance. But potentially, it's a very big chance that we will see the continuation to the 1330 area. Daily chart is important because it tells that currently it's not a good idea for taking long immediately, because market is coming to the major resistance, and it's better to wait for a pullback. Since our major context tends to the upside, we also do not consider the bearish context, bearish setups that we have on intraday charts. It's not, of course, the forbidden, but when you're trading against such strong tendency that you see on the daily, you should be prepared to the negative surprise that market could give you. And that is just not worthy of our efforts to trade these possible bearish setups that we could get on the market. But this is not forbidden, of course, and if you have the confidence in your trade on intraday charts, as you probably could watch for some bearish patterns on the market. So currently we have the major support area that stands at 1250 area. This confidence support, minor support sale stands at 1263. Probably these two levels could become the final destination point of the possible retracement. MACD divergence already stands in place, and upward action to the 1286 could be finalized by the butterfly. That what we have mentioned on Friday as well. So you can see only minor response has followed to the 127 target, minor pullback. Now market is turning up again. It's a real big chance that market somehow will hit the 16180 as well. After that, scenarios differs. So it could be maybe even hand shoulders could be formed, some ABCD action, or it will be just minor retracement. It's also possible. So we'll see it later after the New Year's holidays. Besides, the gold market also will be closed. And depending on what pattern will be formed here, we will be able to estimate the target of this retracement with more precision. The one moment, guys, still on the long-term perspective, although currently the performance of the gold market looks just outstanding, we should not just totally abandon the idea of the bearish context, because bearish context takes actually the larger scale. Stands on the weekly chart, and market will keep at least the theoretical validity of the bearish context until the previous tops of the 1380 area, 1365, 1380. Because if market will reach even XLP target here at 1330, theoretically, that is triple to sell pattern still could be formed. Yes, maybe based on the fundamental factors, fundamental background, the chance on the real bearish context currently stands very small. But from the technical point of view, they are not zero, and everything could change, and we still keep, at least on the paper, the chances that we keep on the paper the bearish context as well. But currently, all our minds stand in the upside direction, and where see really fundamental background that support for the gold market. We see the good bullish performance on the market that encourage us for searching chance to go along and watching for upward continuation here in the January as well. So that's all for today, guys. Let's see what will happen after the New Year's, and see you in January.